welcome to Mom and Kids. Hope you all guys are doing fine. So in this vlog I would be talking about the various activity you can do with your kids so that your kids can be busy and engaged at home in a fun loving way. So as it has been more than 4 months, our kids are stuck at home due to this coronavirus COVID-19, and our kids are not able to go out and not able to do the outdoor activities. So I would be coming with the indoor activities, various indoor activities you can do with your kids at home and keep them busy so that their intellectual and the mental development does not stop. So I would be recommending the list of activities here you can do with your kids. So these are the various activities you can do with your kids. So number one activity is the alphabet recognition. So it is a question of most of the parents that our kids are not able to recognize letters, alphabets, what we can do so that our kids can recognize the alphabets. So I would be telling you the way how you can make your kid to recognize the letters and alphabets. So you can make your kids recognize letters with the help of objects. So the one way is to recognize the letters through flashcards. With the help of flashcards, you can see I have made the flashcard and I pasted on the cupboard. So every time he roams around the room, and whenever randomly I ask to my kid, see which letter is this, so he relates that it's an apple and the letter is A. It's a ball, letter is B. It's a cat, letter is C. So in that way you can make your kid recognize the letter with the help of object. So likewise you can do with the similar letters as well. And these are the ways to make the kids recognize the letters. And so number two activity is number recognition. So similarly you have to make your kid recognize the numbers through flashcards, or you can paste the numbers on the wall or the cupboard. I have pasted these numbers on cupboard, you can see. So again, whenever he roams around the room or I ask him randomly which number is this and which number is this, so he is able to tell. So now he is able to recognize numbers from 1 to 10. And also you can again relate the numbers with the objects. Tell your kid to count cars, how many cars he is having, like 1, 2, 3, 4. So he would be able to count the cars and will recognize that yes, there are 4 numbers of cars. The other way is also to count our fingers as well. Tell your kids to count our fingers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he would be able to do that and will be able to recognize the numbers. But you have to write the numbers on the flashcards or anywhere and write the numbers on the paper or on the cupboard so that he can relate the number with the object. So number 3 activity is story build up. So story build up activity is basically for the older kids, for around 4 to 5 year kids. So you can give your kids some few words so that they can make the stories out of it. So basically these are for the older kids. So number 4 activity is dancing. So dancing is one of my favorite activity, and I generally do with my kid. Whenever the song is there, so I dance with him. So this is the activity which rejuvenates you. So this is one of the activity for me and my son which rejuvenates us and brings so much happiness on our faces. You must at least dance with your kid twice a week. So number 5th activity is shapes and colors. So you can cut out the shapes and paste it on the sheet, or you can also draw shapes on sheet. Like I have pasted the triangle, square, circle and star, rectangle, oval. This is the way you can do. And if you so in this way you can relate the shapes and the colors together. So you can You can paste the shape or draw the shape and fill the different colors, like you can make one yellow, one red, one green and one blue. So likewise you can make the shapes of different colors. Tell your kids to recognize the color and the shape. So you can say, he will tell you, Arav, which shape is this?
Triangle.
And which color is this?
Yellow.
Which color?
Yellow.
Which shape is this?
Star.
Which shape is this?
Ten.
Very good. This one?
Fun.
Very good. This one?
Triangle.
This one?
Oval.
And which shape, which color is this?
Water blue.
So likewise you can do these kind of shapes and color activity with your kid, and he will start recognizing the color. You can also make your kid recognize the colors through their toys or with the blocks as well. Give them the various colors of blocks or toys and relate with the colors with the objects.
Fun.
Number 6 activity is story reading. So who doesn't want to listen stories? Kids love listen to stories. Tell them various stories, and basically you can tell stories to your kids during bedtime. This is the best time. You can read out a story to your kids from their story books. So by doing this, they will be develop a habit of reading as well, and will also show some interest towards the study, and will love the colors and the pictures on the reading books. So story reading is the best way also to make your kids sleep during the night. Number 7 activity is play indoor games. For example, hide and seek. Kids love to play hide and seek, and you can also play hide and seek with their favorite toys as well. You can hide their favorite toys around the house and let the kids explore the objects, so that by this way their brainstorming session will also be done. Hiding is one car in a drawer. I'm hiding one car under the sofa cover. This way you can play indoor games with your kids, and this is also the best exercise for you and the kids as well. Number 8 and the last activity is painting. Kids love colors, so give them various colors and the sheet to paint, and you can draw some shapes on a sheet, and you can help your kid to paint on those shapes. You can also let your kids paint through some objects like finger painting, lady finger painting, rubber painting, or also let your kids do the rough painting as well on a sheet. And this is also the one of the best activity for your kids. So by this way they will learn the colors as well. Like you can see, he has done rubber painting, finger painting, and also he has also done the painting through with the help of fork, and he has done painting with the help of lady finger as well. Colors bring so much happiness in the kids' life. So these are the list of activities you can do with your kids at home. To watch out more number of activities what I do with my kids, so please subscribe my channel, like, share, and click on the bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching my channel.